Alright guys, today we are going to be making the Bazooka Joe shot. It's going to be ounce of creme de banana, ounce of blue carraccio, and some Irish cream.
Where'd you find this?
I can't tell you.
Okay then, let's go. I use pink.
One in the pink and two in the stink, or is it two in the pink and one in the stink? You're doing an ounce each, right?
Yeah, that's what you told me.
You sure? You put it on the right one there?
Yeah, that's what you told me, an ounce of each.
Alright, so an ounce of each of them. Again, banana, carraccio, and Irish cream. Put ice in a shaker.
And then we're going to shake it out. Once he's done pasting. All shook him. Oh, careful here.
Oh, look at how blue that is.
What do you? You don't know.
Look at how blue that is.
Okay, so we know we're not getting two full shots of this. So I'm gonna just go even, back and forth.
Mine's always fullerest.
Well, you found it. You get the most.
I'm gonna grab a different hand. Alright, sip.
Stupid banana. All I taste is banana.
Tastes like Bazooka Joe bubblegum. Pretty good and delicious.
That's what it's supposed to be like, Bazooka gum?
Not so much.
I don't know. It's been years since I've had Bazooka gum.
Well, maybe you should go buy some Bazooka gum.
No, I already know that's a waste of your money. It loses flavors like in 2 seconds.
Reminds me of something else that only takes 2 seconds. What do you
better
guys
end
say?
it. We're done with your nonsense.
For life is an interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit, quitters never win. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment, share, and that bell.
Ding, 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 ding!
Later.